I'm going to open a plan that in my trial version of Home Designer Pro. You can see it's got the watermarks on it and stuff. But I'm going to go to the dimension tools. And I like to use point-to-point move in Home Designer Pro because I can draw on the grade, which is not really dimensionable except for this tool. And if I want to do the ridge, left click drag, and there's a dimension to the ridge. I want that bigger, make the characters bigger, make the arrow bigger. I don't like that kind of arrow. Change it. You can kind of read it. And with this tool, I don't remember what the height is here. I'll go to edit default settings and floors and rooms. Just to remind, okay, 10-foot ceilings. Okay. So the first floor is 10 foot. Just click on that point, click on the dimension, make it 10 foot. You can put text out here saying first floor ceiling height and then second floor. Anyway, that's how you do dimensions. You can also use this tool. Now you can use this if there's dimensionable points, like there's a floor. Okay, that's apparently to the you don't have to use the one that creates its own points. It's just kind of if there's dimensionable points there, if you just drag around. Okay, apparently this floor system is 2 feet thick. And I'll click on, grab this pip here and until it finds a ceiling. 7'6". I don't know if the second floor is 7'6" or not. If I was more familiar with this model, just go over here, edit default settings, floors and rooms, floor levels. See what the second floor is. Okay, it's 9 feet. So 7'6". I don't know what that's measuring to. Oh, that's probably measuring to the roof. That's what looks more like it. See, now that's showing. Oh, okay. I lost the. Oh, I'm grabbing the wrong thing. Okay. 1'2" sounds about right for like 2x12s. Anyway, you get the idea. There's you use the tool that, for the job that you're trying to get done. This one's useful. This one's useful. Angular dimensions. I've never done one. Okay, it's not working. So angular dimension doesn't work in elevations, but end to end does, and point to point, and that's about it. Here, see if I can measure from here to here. I just don't know what's dimensional. You don't know until you try what dimensionable points the software is pre-programmed to follow. But now that from that edge to that edge, I got it. Let's try it from this edge to this edge. Yeah, see, it's not picking it up, so I'd have to go back to the other tool, which creates points, and you left click to create a point, and then release the mouse. Okay. Between this tool and this tool, in elevations, you can get it done. Now, so I also wanted to show you in this video, I'm going to open X13 and I'm going to open a saved elevation that I have. I'm waiting for it to open. There it goes. Okay, you can see that I had some, there's some elevations here with markers. And I turned, now in X13, you can turn on roof labels and window and door labels and so forth, and that I commonly do. Now I'm going to delete this. I think I did that manually back in the day. Okay, you can go over here to edit default settings. And I think it's, yeah, auto story pole dimensions, under dimensions. I'm going to click on edit and go to locate elevations. And here's what, all of these are, you can, this is not in Home Designer Pro or any Home Designer program. You only get this in Pro. I mean, you only get this in Chief Architect Premier. So I'm going to do, I don't know what the grade level is in this one, so I'm going to remove that one. And I don't, for this demonstration, I don't care about showing the header height. Don't care about the highest ridge. I don't care about the highest roof ceiling. I want the ridge, I think might be useful. Roof ceiling per floor, top of footing, I don't care about that. Top of foundation, I don't care. But if you care about these, you can set them up, and you can see that you can rename them or remove them or add things from over here. I'm going to remove that. Okay, so top of the subfloor, top and the roof ceiling per floor, and the ridge, that's enough for this demonstration. So now that I've set the defaults, I can now go to, where is that thing? Where'd you go? It's under dimension 2. Oh, there it is. That's what I was looking for. And then click on that icon to get this story pole. Let's stay on the other side. Yeah. And that was automatically created by the software. Now, let's say if I wanted it on both sides or the other side, I'd have to go back to edit default settings, dimensions, auto story pole. Again, this is not a Home Designer tool. We go to outer format. Okay, let's change those two. Hit it again. Oh, I guess that wasn't it. Anyway, it just does what you tell it to do. Edit default settings. Dimension, auto store. I thought I got general. Okay, there it is. Dimensions on the left, and that's why I put it on the left. So simple, even I missed it. You know, it's on the left and the right. So maybe you've got different floor heights on this side and you don't on this side. And so it's a good way to pick it up. I'm not quite sure why it didn't label this one, but I'll just click on this dimension and drag one up here. There we go. It just missed it. The software is not perfect, but it's still pretty slick. So that's about elevations, dimensioned elevations. I hope this helps some people, and whether it does or not, y'all have a great day, okay? Thank you.